In the event that you require an extravagant SUV which is great in on-street so as in the rough terrain drive, at that point you opt to consider the Lexus GX 460. The 2018 Lexus GX 460 has as of late been discharged available to be purchased, and it has just brought some minor changes which incorporate more standard highlights and more choices. Thinking about solace. Be that as it may, the most recent news demonstrates that the Lexus producer is likewise setting up the freshest adaptation of this prevalent model, which ought to touch base as the 2019 Lexus GX 460. The Lexus GX 460 is an extravagant brandish utility vehicle which is exceptionally skilled and gives a smooth ride. Despite the fact that its outside is somewhat obsolete, inside the lodge, the GX 460 offers a lot of present-day innovation. The inside is extensive and agreeable as well, however its payload space is somewhat shallow and constrained. In the engine, it is fueled by a solid V8 unit and standard all-wheel drive framework. Shockingly, the GX 460 shows poor fuel effectiveness and speeding up. Moreover, the 2018 Lexus GX 460 has arrived essentially unaltered from the present model, and it got just a few redesigns. The tech office. Those incorporate a semi-aniline seat situate which is presently standard on the luxury trim. 2. The base model is presently accessible with warmed and ventilated seats, and the skipper's seat second push seating comes in the sport design package. At last, the carmaker is setting up the new 2019 Lexus GX 460, yet we expect that it ought to likewise arrive relatively unaltered from the present model. Maybe we could see a few changes in the outside styling with a specific end goal to make it more focused. Moreover, it ought to likewise land in a similar trim levels which incorporate the base, premium, and luxury adaptations. Its fundamental adversaries available are Audi Q7, BMW X5, Volvo XC90, Mercedes-Benz GLE Class and Land Rover Discovery. Contrasted with the Audi Q7, GX 460 offers less open and less comfortable lodge. The new 2019 Lexus GX 460 will be fueled by an indistinguishable motor from the present model, and there is one single choice in the engine. It is a 4.6-liter V8 motor which can create 301 stallions and 329 pound-feet of torque. This motor sets with a 6-speed programmed transmission. The all-wheel drive framework is standard. It can achieve 60 miles per hour in 7.8 seconds. With respect to the efficiency, it gets 15 miles per gallon in the city and 18 miles per gallon on the roadway. With regards to outside outline, the 2019 Lexus GX 460 will include the outstanding square and square-shaped appearance. It is extremely tall as well, and the passage and exit are high, yet it includes expansive entryways. The front end is overwhelmed by the expansive axle grille and a couple of LED headlamps. Maybe, the GX 460 could get some minor refreshments of the front and back belts, keeping in mind the end goal to look new. It will ride on standard 18-inch wheels.